What's up everyone, Minto from Jasmine Software here. In this video, we're going to talk about reports, what they are, and how you create them. So stay tuned. Reports are a way for you to peer into your practice and glean information you otherwise would have missed. There's a saying, if you can't measure it, you can't manage it. As a business, the best way to know that we're on the right track is to see if we're meeting our goals. And the best way to do this is to report on it. In Jasmine, to create a report, we'll want to go to the Reports tab. And to do that, we'll click on Reports. On the Reports tab, you'll see a list of folders on the left-hand menu. And each of these folders have a number of reports that can be used in your practice. To create a new report, you'll click the New Report button. There are many types of reports to create. For this report, we'll create one based on payments. So I'll type in payments and select payments with contact, and then click Create. In the report editor, the first thing you can do is to modify your filters. The first filter to modify would be to show all of your payments. And the next filter you can modify is the date filter. I like to choose the create date, and then you can select a range. I'll leave it at all time. Next, you can add your own filter or a custom filter. To do that, you'll click on the Filters Add button. You can select a field you want to filter by. We'll select amount and then a greater than, in this case, and 0. For these filters, what we're doing is selecting all of the payments for all create dates of all time and with an amount that's greater than 0. Now we can add fields we want to see in the report. To do that, we'll look at the Fields menu on the left-hand side. For this report, I want to see the payment amount and payment date. To do that, we'll click on the payment amount and drag it over to the main view. We can do the same thing with the payment date. In addition, I also want the first name of the contact. You can also rearrange the fields by dragging them by the heading to the desired position. Now, I'd like to sort by the payment date. I can click on the drop-down menu here on the payment date and select descending order. I can also summarize the amount field by clicking on the menu and selecting Summarize this field. I can select Sum and click Apply. Now, when I scroll down to the bottom, it will sum up all of the amounts for us. When I'm done customizing the report, I can get a preview by clicking the Run Report button. When I'm satisfied with the report, I can then save it to a reports folder by clicking the Save As button. I can enter a report name, select a folder, and click Save. After saving the report, you can see it in the recently viewed items, or we can go to the reports folder and see it in that folder as well. To run it, we just click on the report name and that will run the report for us. To recap, in this video, we learned how to create a report and run reports. If that was helpful, share, like, and subscribe for future videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.